We'll also guide you through the process of signing up for healthcare coverage, ensuring that you have access to the best options available in your state. So, if you're ready to take control of your healthcare and understand what you need to do for Obamacare 2023 enrollment in Idaho, keep reading. Eligibility requirements for Obamacare in Idaho. If you're wondering who qualifies for Obamacare in Idaho, we've got the answers for you. To be eligible for Obamacare in Idaho, you must be a resident of the state, be a U.S. citizen or a lawfully present immigrant, have an income that falls within a certain range. For example, a family of 4 must have an annual income between $26,200 and $104,800 to be eligible. It's important to note that eligibility requirements can change each year, so it's crucial to stay updated. To apply for Obamacare in Idaho, you can visit the official healthcare marketplace website. Seek assistance from a certified enrollment counselor. Don't miss out on the benefits and coverage that Obamacare can provide for you and your family. Understanding the Affordable Care Act in Idaho. To fully grasp the ins and outs of the Affordable Care Act in Idaho, it's essential to have a solid understanding of its intricacies. The Affordable Care Act, also known as Obamacare, was implemented to provide affordable health insurance options for individuals and families. In Idaho, the state operates its own health insurance exchange, known as Your Health Idaho. This exchange allows residents of Idaho to shop for and compare different health insurance plans that meet their needs and budget. It also provides financial assistance to eligible individuals and families to help reduce the cost of insurance premiums. It's important to note that under the Affordable Care Act, all Idaho residents are required to have health insurance or face penalties. Understanding the Affordable Care Act in Idaho is crucial in order to make informed decisions about your healthcare coverage. Important enrollment deadlines for Obamacare 2023 in Idaho. Don't miss the key dates for signing up for health insurance under the Affordable Care Act in Idaho this year. It's important to stay on top of the enrollment deadlines to ensure you have coverage when you need it. The open enrollment period for Obamacare 2023 in Idaho begins on November 1st and ends on December 15th. During this time, you can apply for health insurance or make changes to your existing plan. If you miss this window, you may have to wait until the next open enrollment period unless you qualify for a special enrollment period. So mark your calendars and make sure you take advantage of this opportunity to find the right health insurance plan for you and your family. How to sign up for healthcare coverage in Idaho. Ready to get the healthcare coverage you need in Idaho? Let's dive into how you can sign up and find the perfect plan for you and your family. To sign up for healthcare coverage through Your Health Idaho, follow these steps. A. Create an account. Go to the Your Health Idaho page and make a profile. This will let you see information about yourself and apply for coverage. B. Fill out the application. Give the necessary information about yourself and your family, such as your income, the size of your family, and any other important information. Thanks for watching. Please call the office at 208-409-3382 for a review or quote on your insurance needs. Please visit us at www.idahoinsurance.com.